Bukas na makakaharap ng Gilas Pilipinas ang Dominican Republic sa pagbubukas ng kanilang kampanya sa FIBA Basketball World Cup. Isang araw bago nila harapin ang pagsubok na ito, humarap sa publiko sina Head Coach Chot Reyes at Team Captain Japet Aguilar sa isang press conference upang ipahayag kung gaano na sila kahanda. Narito ang ulat ni Rafael Bandairel.
Buena mano para sa kampanya ng Gilas Pilipinas ang kanilang match-up kontra World No. 3 squad na Dominican Republic. Sa pangunguna ni NBA All-Star Karl Anthony Towns, inaasahang isa ang Dominicana sa mga pinakamababagsik na koponan sa pandaigdigang torneo. Para kay Gilas Pilipinas Head Coach Chot Reyes, hindi madaling tansyahin ang kanilang tsansang magwagi. Aniya, magkakaalaman na lamang pag tumapak na sa court ang dalawang koponang ito.
Of course, I'm happy with what I have. It's really hard to say, do we have the goods, do we have the team that can compete against these guys until we see the actual game, right? One thing is for sure, we will need the support and the prayers of the crowd. I think that's very, very important. We have to be able to punch above our weight. In other words, and I think the crowd will be a big determining factor to be able to help us.
Pero paano naman kaya nila binabalak mapigilan ang Minnesota Timberwolves star big man?
I don't think it's physically possible for any single person on our team, or perhaps even in the entire World Cup, to stop Karl Anthony Towns one-on-one, right? So it's going to take a village to beat them, to stop him. And Dominican, because that's not a one-man team that we're playing tomorrow. So, but the initial job is going to fall on the front line.
Samantala, bilang kapitan ng grupo, umaasa si Japet Aguilar na magagawa niyang magsilbing inspirasyon sa mga nakababata niyang teammates tulad ng naranasan niya sa mga dati niyang kapitan na sina Jimmy Alapag at Gabe Norwood.
Just based on my experience to my previous captain role, Captain Jimmy Alapag and Gabe Norwood, they really set the bar high. Yung nakita ko sa kanila is how they take pride in their craft.
Alas 8 ng gabi bukas magtatapat ang Gilas Pilipinas at Los Quisqueyanos. Magaganap ito pagkatapos ng bakbakan sa pagitan ng Italia at Angola sa Philippine Arena sa Bukawi, Bulacan. Rafael Bandairel, PTV Sports.